Hello guys, welcome back to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are doing well and staying safe. If you are following my channel, you would know that I am a big fan of smoothies. I have already made 2 videos on them. One of them is green smoothie for weight loss and another one is my favorite smoothie to boost your immunity naturally. Do you want to know how to make a protein smoothie at home without using any protein powder? Then watch this video till the end because I am going to share my recipe of making a protein smoothie at home without using any protein powder. So let's begin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon first. This smoothie will not only provide the necessary protein to our body but will also keep us full for a longer period of time, which is very helpful to avoid unhealthy binge eating. Also, to make it tasty, I have added some natural sweetener options as well. I have studied carefully and chosen the best ingredients for this protein smoothie. In the end, I will be mentioning how all these ingredients provide our daily necessary vitamins, minerals and nutrients to our body. So keep watching till the end. So without wasting any time, let's begin. In a mixing jar, first add all the dry ingredients such as 1/4 cup oats. You can also take oats powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons raw peanuts, 1 tablespoon of seeds mixture which includes watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds or flax seeds powder. I am using flax seeds powder here. 1 piece of dark chocolate. Make sure the chocolate you are using is without sugar and if possible 99% dark chocolate. Grind them all until powdered and then add 3 to 4 pieces of beetroot, 2 dates, 1 entire banana as sweetener and add approximately half a cup of water until the level all these ingredients submerge completely. Grind it until you get a smooth consistency. And our protein smoothie is ready. This one has a little thicker consistency. If you want it more liquidish, then you can add a little more water and then grind them until you get your desired consistency. This one glass of smoothie has almost 600 to 700 calories. But once you have it, trust me, you will not feel hungry for next 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so now let me tell you why I have chosen these particular ingredients. Rolled oats. 1/4 cup of oats contain around 2.6 grams of protein, which is higher than most other grains, and 2 grams of dietary fibers, which are soluble fibers that help in slow digestion and keeps us fuller for a longer period of time. This reduces food craving, which leads to lesser consumption of calories. It has 13.5 grams of carbohydrates, out of which 11% is fiber, 85% starch and 4% sugar. The starch in oats is different from those in other grains as the former has higher viscosity and fat content. This starch partially dissolves in water and forms a gel-like solution in our gut. This is very helpful in constipation issues. Oats are rich in B vitamins such as vitamin B1, B2, B5 and biotin, along with moderate amounts of B3, B6 and B9. Oats are rich in minerals such as manganese, copper, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, selenium and iron. Because of the higher levels of manganese found in oats, they are rich in antioxidants that help protect our body against free radicals. Radicals can damage our body cells, resulting in aging, cancers and heart diseases. To know the role of each of these vitamins and minerals for maintaining our overall health, you can go to my blog optfororganic.com. Raw peanuts. Peanuts are rich in antioxidants found in peanut skin. That is why raw peanuts along with its skin is very healthy. 2 tablespoons of raw peanuts contain 1.6 grams of dietary fibers. Peanuts are rich in insoluble dietary fibers which keeps us full and helps reduce binge eating. Peanuts are rich in high quality proteins and healthy fats. 2 tablespoons of raw peanuts contain almost 4.8 grams of protein and 9 grams of fats, which helps with the calorie burning process. Peanuts are an excellent source of B vitamins such as vitamin B1, B3, B5, B7 and B9, and also they are rich in vitamin E. They also contain minerals such as manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc and copper. Seeds mixture. Regular consumption of seeds protects us from diseases and reduces inflammation. 1 tablespoon of seeds mix contains almost 3 grams of proteins. Seeds are a rich source of antioxidants and minerals such as zinc, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, iron and copper. Seeds provide a good levels of vitamin E and K. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with protein, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contain 2 grams of proteins and 4 grams of dietary fibers. Plus, they contain all the necessary amino acids which boosts the protein usage in our body. Out of 5.1 gram carbs, 4.1 grams are soluble fibers which absorb water almost 10 to 12 times their weight and convert in gel-like solution to keep you full for a longer time. They are high in antioxidants. Chia seeds are high in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and proteins which ensures healthy bone. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a great source of fibers and omega-3 fatty acids. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds contain almost 2.8 grams of fiber. Flax seeds contain 20 to 40% soluble fibers and 60 to 80% insoluble fibers, which helps with regulating the bowel movement and improves gut health. Because they contain both type of fibers, having a little amount of ground flax seeds keeps you full for a longer period of time. Flax seeds are a great source of plant-based proteins. 1 tablespoon almost contains 2 grams of proteins. They are rich in minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus and iron. Also, flax seeds are a good source of vitamin B1 which converts carbs into energy. Flax seeds are also rich in antioxidants. Dark chocolate. It is a powerful source of antioxidants. Dark chocolate is rich in minerals such as iron, manganese, copper, selenium, zinc, phosphorus and potassium. Because of its high content of manganese and caffeine, it stimulates our brain cells and improves brain function. Cocoa content of dark chocolate improves blood flow in our body and skin. Plus, it gives a nice flavor to our smoothie as well. Beetroot. Beetroot is loaded with vitamins and minerals with almost zero fat and extremely low on calories. Beetroot contains a good amount of manganese, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc and iron. Low calories and high content of manganese, iron and magnesium makes it an ideal option to enhance performance while improving the oxygen flow to our body. Beet is considered as a good source of fiber to improve digestive health. Beetroot is a good source of vitamin B9 and vitamin C. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Beets are high in water content and low on calories, which increases the weight loss process. Dates are excellent natural sweeteners loaded with fibers, nutrients and antioxidants. 2 dates contain 1.1 grams of dietary fibers, which is helpful in aiding constipation. They are rich in iron content. The high level of magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, copper and calcium in dates maintains our bone health. Also, it improves brain functioning. Dates contain good amount of B vitamins such as vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5 and B6. Banana. Ripe bananas have a good amount of soluble fibers which keeps you full for a long time and prevents overeating. They are rich in antioxidants. Bananas are an excellent source of energy and also they relieve muscle cramps. One ripe banana contains almost 105 calories, which consists mostly of water and carbs. It contains 1.3 grams of protein and almost no fat. It is rich in fiber, which is almost 3.1 grams in one banana. This increases the friendly bacteria in our gut and maintains gut health. Bananas are rich in manganese, magnesium and potassium. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B5 and B6 and contain a fair amount of vitamin B1, B2, B3 and B9. Overall, all these ingredients provide approximately 558.8 calories with 19.4 grams of protein. Protein requirement on daily basis is 0.8% of our body weight. So, if we consider an average 50 kg weight, we require almost 40 grams of proteins and the smoothie provides almost half of the protein requirement. Try making it and let me know if you like it. Also, you can send me pictures of your smoothie on my Instagram and Facebook accounts, which are by the same name, Opt for Organic. That's it for today. Do like this video if you find it helpful and share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.